Do you know what a beeswax wrap is? This here is a set of 3 wraps that are reusable and washable. Use them to wrap your produce or cover your leftovers. With proper care, your wraps can last you up to a year, which makes them a perfect alternative for single-use plastics. And once they reach the end of their life, they're completely compostable.
Each variety set includes a small, medium, and large beeswax wrap. We use large beeswax wraps to cover bowls. Medium wraps are great for making snack packs. And small beeswax wraps are great for taking things on the go. What size is your favorite?
A beeswax wrap will last about 300 uses, which for most people will be just over a year of use. If you think your wrap may be nearing the end of its life, you can give it the scrunch test. Scrunch it up and shake it out, and if your wrap comes out of that scrunch position, it may mean that it's time to re-wax it or replace it with some new beeswax wraps, like this one here. We scrunch a wrap 2 to 4 times before using it to warm them up with the heat of our hands. This is what we call activating the wrap, and it gives it that tacky feeling it needs to be able to grip onto bowls or onto itself if you're wrapping produce.